Hello, amazing people! Welcome to That Brand Girl, and on this channel, we will be sharing delicious recipes that are purely homemade. So, let's get started. Today's recipe is the most delicious gobi sabzi. We all love cabbage, don't we? Sometimes kids don't love cabbage because it is plain and doesn't have. This recipe is a very easy to make and homemade recipe that will help you cook with the least possible ingredients in your home kitchen. It would be requiring just regular spices and 3 to 4 vegetables that are easily available in your refrigerator or pantry. First of all, take a full cabbage. It serves 4 people. Okay, so if you know that cabbage has multi benefits, some of which are extremely impressive from the point of view of health, and I would just like to share them with you. Cabbage especially seems to raise levels of beta carotene and other heart protective antioxidants. It also helps lower oxidized LDL, which is linked to hardening of the arteries. And since cabbage eases inflammation, it can play a great role in preventing heart disease. So next we would be needing 1 full cup of peas. The benefits of peas, that is matar, are that 1 cup of boiled or regular green peas has vitamin K that is known for maintaining bone health and helping blood to clot to prevent bleeding. You know, matar, that is peas, are high source of fiber and are extremely low in fat and contain zero cholesterol. So they are a very good source of vegetable protein. Next, you would be needing 2 small carrots. So slice the carrots that you have in your pantry. And carrots are rich in beta carotene, that is vitamin A, and it will help in strengthening your eyesight. And it will also protect your eyes from sun and lowers your chances of cataract and other problems. So carrots are very good for your eyes. Then I would like to add 3 to 4 chilies. You know, green chilies have a great role for your diet. They improve your skin regime. So after a stressful week, the perfect cure for your stress-free day is a green chili, because it will help you provide a natural source of iron, and it will balance all your blood sugar levels. And also it will, till the while, you can take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil in it, and just let the oil heat. And how do you know that the oil has reached the perfect level? So you can take few cumin seeds. These are the grandma tested and my mother's go-to hack for cooking, that when you want to know that oil is heated, she takes just few cumin seeds and adds them into the oil. And if the cumin seeds start splattering or making some noise, then you get to know that the heat is the oil is perfectly heated up, and now it is time for you to add all the vegetables that you have cut before and all the ingredients that you want. So in this recipe we will be using only 3 ingredients, that is peas, chilies, cauliflower and cabbage and carrots. So just add all the ingredients in the pan and add turmeric and salt from your kitchen. Next, just keep mixing it very well, and what you can do is add some water and put the lid cover, and so the water and the steam that will be making the vegetables steam for 5 to 10 minutes. So what happens when you steam the vegetables? There is less or zero oil in it, and it is as good as boiled vegetables. So steaming When it is about to be cooked, you can see that the water has dried up and it has soaked. So at that time you can take some sugar and just add few, like half or 1/4 of a tablespoon of sugar, and it will help giving a very moist and it will add a very sweet flavor to your entire cooking, and that you will really, it will be a very good uh, addition to your regular recipe. As always, decorate your recipes with coriander and lemon. Lemon are very good source of vitamin C. As you all know, lemon help our body. They are packed with B complex vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, and they help in elevating stress and fighting viral infections. So all this pandemic and everything is going on, so our immunity is to be strengthened. So it is a go-to hack to add lemon in all your cooking as much as possible for you. So I would definitely recommend adding coriander. And what benefits coriander has? Coriander is very good for diabetes patients. It promotes liver functions, bowel movement, so it is very good for maintaining the cholesterol levels also. Okay, and then you can serve your tasty delicious cabbage vegetable hot with roti. And subscribe to our channel for more easy and healthy recipes. Stay updated on Facebook, Instagram. We are also on Pinterest, and do let us know how did you like the recipe. Thank you so much.